Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. Take this drawing in this manner and you have to use this bubbly sheet for coloring it. After obtaining this pattern, you have to complete this drawing by making these small and tiny bees around this shell. Again, take sheets and see with the help of a sketch how you are highlighting them. Now complete the pattern. Well, they look so great. Place eyes and complete their look as shown in the video. Make small tiny dots too inside them and see how perfect they look. For next, you have to draw some leaves and after drawing them, make their midribs as shown in the video. Place this sheet on the white sheet and color this bubbly sheet with the help of a marker. Complete this drawing and yes, these strawberries look so delicious, aren't they? And these white flowers are super cute. Now you are done with that. Now let us start with the next art. While applying cotton and glue like this, you have to spread it uniquely over the sheet and see how it works. Paste these strips above it and Q-tips too in this manner. After placing Q-tips, you have to place a triangle and other required things as shown in the video. Now you have obtained this pattern. Now see, this snowman looks very cute while standing in front of this Q-tip house. Yes, draw his hands and complete this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.